Okay. Por, 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 por. And today we got surprise boxes that we're going to open today. So let's start. First, I have a copy in my pocket, flying back. In a minute. And we got another one. And we got another puppy in my pocket. And that's all there is. Let's see what else we got. We got more puppies in my pocket. And let's see. And we have one more puppy in my pocket. That's all done. So we're going to set these to the side here. And let's start with the first puppy in my pocket. And this is season 4. So let's open it up and see who we got. And this is who we got. And let's see who he is. Let's see where he is on the flyer. And you can get the gold rare sparkly puppies. And let's look. Here he is. We got Binky. He's a black and white dog, and we'll call him a Chihuahua because he has up ears. So we're going to set him to the side there.
Here, turn him around so we can see him.
And this is what the flyer looks like. And you can see on the bottom that there is a way up and down puppies that you can get. And the list on this side. Let's set the flyer over there. And we're gonna open the next puppy in my pocket, and it's the same thing, season 4. So let's see what we got. We got this dog. And it's pretty furry looking. And here's a flyer. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Let's see. I got this one. Oh, here it is. So this is Trixie, and we'll call her a Pekingese. Let's set it to the side here, beside a other puppy in my pocket, little pony. And next, let's get our other puppy in my pocket. Oh, sorry. I keep getting confused. So this is series 5, so we have a lot of new. So we have some new characters to collect. Let's just rip it open and see what we got.
That one was easy.
See what we got. We got this puppy.
Well, show him. Let's see which one it is.
So we got this puppy.
Wow.
And he is a pretty cute puppy. I love him. And let's see what he is. Okay, so here's a flyer. I hope I get the rare ones. This black dog and this black dog. And let's see. Let's look for this dog. Let's see. Here he is. I got Roxy. So this is Roxy. And here's a look at the back. I'll call her another Pekingese. And we have 2.
Here, scoot all your trash away to the side.
And we got 2 more brown bags. See, I don't rip them at the same time. It's season It's season 5 and season 4. So let's see if we can whip them at the same time. Let's go. Okay, we can whip them at the same time. No, oh yes we can.
Wow.
Take these off. And looks like
Ooh.
I like this one. This looks like another chihuahua. I think this is the same one as this one.
Is it furry?
Yes, yeah, they're soft. And these are pretty soft. So if you buy these and you're in a video, you'll feel these really soft. And I think this is the same dog as this one. Got 2 chihuahuas and 2 Pekingese. Okay, let's get the flyer. See who we have and who we got. Let's look. I know it's not this one, and he is on here, but we need to find him on the fly so we know he is. And that's a lucky too, and there he is. Right there with the other cool dogs. Okay. It's Gabby, and I'm pretty sure this is another Chihuahua. Because he has his ears like other puppy.
Ooh, what color are their eyes?
His eyes are green.
They're pretty.
And we have, let's get our other puppy in my pocket.
Oh, is that a duplicate?
No. This one is different. Oh, this one has a little lamb. I know this is a sheepdog. So, let's get our flyer out. See who we got. And let's see. That's not it. Let's bring our flyer all out. And let's see who we got in the flyer. Okay, here's another piece of flyer. Okay, let's see who we got. So, see him here. Oh, there's a sheepdog. So his name is Murphy, the sheepdog. It's a sheepdog because there's a sheepdog. So I got 3 new puppies.
You got more than 3. You got how many?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 new. And these are new on the channel. So I never opened these before. So these puppies in my pockets, the sewing bring all of these tickets. See, we make all the films together and all the ones that look like good together. And now they're filmed. Just line up and count our dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got 5 puppies in all. Okay, bud, let's go. Oh, hi. Oh, hi, Steve. I have a concert tonight. Do you want to come? Okay, buddy. Who's your new friend? This is Buddy. He's the same name as me. Okay, let's go. Because my name is Buddy too. My last name is Buddy. Yay, Buddy power. Hey, my last name is Buddy. Can't join in the Buddy. Okay. My name's Buddy. It's Buddy Goody. Can I come in? Sue, all the dogs that named Buddy can come in here. Okay. Buddy, 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 Buddy. Buddy, 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 Buddy. Buddy, 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 Buddy. And subscribe. Bye, everybody.